Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making choco raisin muffin. For this we need baking powder, baking soda, castor sugar, cocoa powder, oil, milk, maida or refined flour, eggs, vanilla essence. So in a bowl, take eggs, 4 eggs, beat it, add vanilla essence, 8 to 10 drops of vanilla essence, beat it again, and now beat it for 7 to 8 minutes. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil, milk, and beat it again. Now take a strainer, add 100 grams of all-purpose flour or maida, add 100 grams of castor sugar or grinded sugar, add 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and strain them. Make sure no lumps are there. Mix it. Now add dry ingredient into wet ingredient. Fold it. Add 2 teaspoons at a time. You can add little cola for more sponginess in muffin. Repeat this process till you find the smooth consistency. Now you can see the consistency of your batter. Because we are making choco raisin muffin, so we will chopped raisin. We will add around 50 grams of raisin in it. Now we will take muffin molds, add batter, garnish it with raisins, and on preheated oven 180 degrees Celsius we will bake it for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes your choco raisin muffin is ready. Thank you.